had this crazy idea to take an egg carton and transform it into ocean animals. And it is so much fun. I can't tell you how much fun I'm having. So today's animal is one of my all-time favorites. Anytime I see this animal out in the wild, my heart skips a beat or two. Sea turtles. Okay, before we dive into the craft, see what it looks like so you know where we're headed. Isn't it adorable? These kind of look like turtle hatchlings to me, the baby ones. So it made me think of them on their way to the water's edge. All right, are you ready? Let's go. I like using biodegradable glitter because it's better for the environment. It prevents wildlife and ocean life from eating those small plastic bits that regular glitter is made of. I've made a stencil for you to make it a little bit easier. You can find out how to download it in the description below. Look at this! It makes the perfect head shape. You can also put their flippers in different positions to make them look like they are moving or walking on the beach or swimming. To hang it, to make an ornament, you can just use twine and hot glue the loop to the back of the sea turtle. All of those pieces were so fun to find in the egg carton and then piece them together like a puzzle. If your heart skips a beat or two like mine does at the sight of sea turtles, check out my Lagoons High Tide adventure course. It's one of the animals that we discover and explore in our paddle adventure. I'll include the link in the description below. I hope you had a blast with this. It's been so much fun, and I still have more animals coming. So join me tomorrow for another ocean animal that's upcycled. And in the meantime, check out my other upcycled ocean animal videos.